All right, to example 4 here. Oops. If a rectangle's area is represented by 42x to the third minus 35x squared, and its width is represented by 7x squared, find a binomial, which immediately 2 terms should be floating through your head, that could represent the rectangle's length. So again, we know that area is equal to length times width for my rectangle. And we know that the area is 42x to the third minus 35x squared. And we know that one of the dimensions is 7x squared. So you have 2 ways of looking at how to do this. You can work backwards, right? If we're trying to find the length, what's preventing length from being alone? The 7x squared. What's going on between them? Multiplication. So the opposite of that would be to divide the 7x squared to both pieces. You could also just kind of work backwards and do it less formally. You could just figure out 7x squared times what gets me to 42x cubed. And you can even go piece by piece. 7 times what gets me 42? Well, that has to be 6. X squared times what gets me to x cubed? X. Carry down the minus. 7 times what gets me a negative 35? Negative 5. X squared times what gets me x squared? Nothing. It already is, or times 1. So I could put times 1, but 5 times 1 is just 5 anyways. So therefore, binomial, 2 terms, right? One term is 6x minus 5 is the second term. So this is the length.